Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on mobile. First, you'll need a compatible device, such as an Android phone or tablet, or an iPhone or iPad. Since the game is not directly available on app stores for some devices, you can access it through cloud gaming platforms. Make sure your device has a strong, consistent internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to avoid lag and ensure the best experience. We'll cover the specific steps to get you playing in no time. To play Fortnite on mobile, especially if it's not natively available, cloud gaming is your best bet. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the game directly to your phone or tablet. You'll need a stable internet connection, preferably 5 GHz Wi-Fi, for optimal performance. Simply sign up for an account, link it if necessary, and you can start playing without a large download. Before diving in, check your device's compatibility. For Android, you'll generally need at least 4 GB of RAM and a recent operating system. iOS users should have iOS 13.2 or newer. While touch controls are available, many players prefer using a Bluetooth controller for more precise aiming and movement. You can also adjust in-game graphics settings to prioritize performance over visual fidelity, ensuring smoother gameplay. Once you're in the game, focus on optimizing your experience. Spend some time in creative mode to practice building and editing, which are crucial skills. Experiment with customizing your touch controls to find a layout that feels natural and responsive for you. Closing unnecessary background applications will free up valuable system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Finally, using headphones can significantly improve your awareness of in-game sounds, giving you a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.